Hello. How are you? Good. Bad? This is my room. This is the wardrobe. The wardrobe is brown. This is the bed. The bed is blue. The bed is blue, but the wardrobe is brown. The bed is big, but the bedside table is small. There are 3 bedside tables. 1, 2, 3. The bedside table is white. The bedside table is white, but the bed is blue. This is the window. The window is white. There are 2 windows. 1, 2. Here there are 4 drawers. 1, 2, 3, 4. The drawers are yellow. This is the bedroom door. The door is red. The door is red. The wardrobe is brown. The bedside table is white. The bed is blue. The window is white. The drawers are yellow. Where is the bed? Here, 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 here.